shelter often is required to take dogs off the street or required to take owner surrenders. And for space issues, they're often faced to have to euthanize.
Pull them out and start the healing process, getting vetting for the first time in their whole life, getting them groomed for the first time in their whole life. To see the changes in these animals from ground zero to be built up and then to see them adopted, meeting the families of the adoption, it helps me sleep at night.
They need help. The fact that they don't have a place to sleep, don't have a loving home, it means a lot for them to be in a situation that someone cares about them.